Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure everyone runs the same game build and that multiplayer is enabled in settings. This prevents sync errors. Once done, open the multiplayer menu and create a lobby. Choose public, friends, or private depending on who you want. Invite players directly or share the lobby code. Players enter the code under Join Lobby. Make sure NAT traversal or port settings are on if someone struggles to connect, because that often fixes peer-to-peer blockages and speeds up match. Once players are in the lobby, verify character selection and loadout so everyone's synced. Mismatched assets can cause desyncs. You should select spawn points and team roles now, because changing them mid-round can trigger a client reload. If you're the host, lock settings or press ready to signal start. If not, communicate via voice or quick chat to assign a leader and tactics. Doing this reduces downtime, ensures balanced teams, and makes the match flow smoothly from the first second. You begin the match when every player is ready. Watch connection indicators for high ping or packet loss. If a player disconnects, attempt reconnect first, then use host migration if the game supports it. Otherwise, restart the lobby to preserve progress. Make sure the host's connection is stable. Hosts with poor upload cause everyone to lag. If problems persist, toggle NAT settings or briefly forward the game's UDP ports on the router. That single step often solves persistent connection failures and keeps games reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.